can you hear me? Okay, I'm teacher Ayeth. What's your name?
My name is Joanne.
Joanne. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Okay, Joan, we will practice some words. Okay? Look at the picture. Okay? Look at the first picture. What is the baby doing?
The baby is crying.
The baby is crying. That's right. How about this? What is the bear doing?
The bear is dancing.
The bear is dancing. Good job. And now the shark. What is the shark doing?
The shark is sleeping.
Sleeping. Perfect. Let's practice with some words. Okay, look here. Hammer.
Hammer. Hammer.
Hammer. Okay. This is a hammer. And this is a hook. Okay. What's this again? What's this?
Hammer.
Hammer. How about this?
Okay.
Very good. Give me a high five. Boom. So July, continue studying English. And yes, I hope I can see you again next time. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'll see ya. Bye-bye.